For most pages in Oracle Fusion, you can save your filters as a saved search to quickly and easily apply the same predefined search criteria. To do this, first click Show Advanced Search to apply your search parameters. Click Add to add additional fields to filter. Select your search operator from the drop-down menu, for example, equals. Enter your search value. Click Search to view your results. Click Save, then add a name for your new saved search. Click OK. You can access your saved searches by selecting from the Saved Search drop-down menu. The predefined search criteria automatically populate. Click Search to view the results.